Hello and good day. This is the 4-step cure tip number 16. Don't doubt yourself. If no one believes in you, who will? You know what you know, and you know. And that's fine. Believe in you. When you get up in the morning, just pray for that. If you have doubts, and if your Ori is telling you to do something, and you're like, oh, well, maybe I don't need to, or maybe I should. Just as the wind is blowing, the wind doesn't doubt that it's going to bring a breeze or destroy. It just does. And I encourage you to do the same thing. Once you find your life's purpose, hell with the naysayers. Hell with that family member that think, oh, they know so best for you. They do it out of love and out of protection because they want you to succeed, not knowing what your destiny or your purpose is. So you have to stand firm, stand tall. If you've done the work, you've done the prayers, know that it's going to come. And know that everything decision you make, it has its purpose. And that is my pushing point for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.